Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Gemini API key. First, you'll need to navigate to Google AI Studio. This is your central hub for interacting with Google's powerful AI models and managing your API keys. Simply sign in using your existing Google account to begin the process. It's a straightforward first step to unlock advanced AI capabilities for your projects. Once inside Google AI Studio, look for the Get API Key button, usually found on the left sidebar. Clicking this will take you to the API Key Management interface. You'll then have the option to create a new key, either in a new Google Cloud project or an existing one. After making your selection, your unique API key will be generated immediately. Copy it carefully. With your API key generated, the next step is to integrate it into your application. This key acts as your credential for authenticating requests to the Gemini API. It's crucial to store this key securely, ideally as an environment variable, rather than embedding it directly in your code. This practice helps prevent unauthorized access and keeps your key confidential. Security is paramount when handling API keys. Always restrict your keys usage by specifying trusted IP addresses or HTTP referrers. This minimizes potential damage if the key is ever compromised. Also, remember to rotate your keys periodically and delete any that are no longer in use. For more great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below, along with other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.